In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page name on your Wix website. This is a straightforward process, but it's really important because it helps keep your website organized and ensures your visitors can easily navigate it. Plus, having clear and descriptive page names can be beneficial for SEO. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. This is the hub where you can make all your changes and updates. Head over to the Wix website and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you've logged in, you should see a dashboard with a list of your sites. Click on Edit Site to open the Wix website editor for the site you want to work on. Now that you're in the editor, the next step is to choose the page whose name you want to change. Look for the Site menu on the left side of the editor. Here you'll see a list of all pages on your site. Click on the page name to highlight it, indicating you're ready to make modifications. Once you've selected the page, look for the Settings option in the Manager menu. This might be a smaller icon or a text button, depending on the version of the editor you're using. Click on More Actions or a similar option like Settings, which will give you a few options regarding what adjustments can be made to this page. With the Settings menu open, you will see an option labeled Rename or Edit Page Info. Click on Rename, which is what allows you to change the current page name to something new. A small window or text field should appear, letting you type in the new page name. Take a moment to think about what name best represents the content of your page and how it fits into the overall sitemap. Clear and concise names usually work best. Type in your desired new name for the page in the text field. Keep in mind that concise names that accurately reflect the content are beneficial not only for your users, but also for SEO purposes. Once you are satisfied with the new name, the next step is to finalize your changes. To do this, simply click Done or Save to keep the changes you've made. This step is crucial because it ensures your new page name will be reflected both in the editor and when the site is live. After saving, give your site a quick preview to ensure everything looks how you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the page name on your Wix website. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Stick around for more tips and tricks on managing your Wix website. Happy editing!